雞同鴨講，雞同鴨講。
This Cantonese idiom's literal translation is chicken and duck talk. It can be used to describe two parties do not have an effective communication because they are talking different things, just like an English idiom apples and oranges. It also can be used to describe they cannot communicate because of using two different languages. For example,
佢日文咁差，同個日本人雞同鴨講，個日本人都唔知佢講乜。佢日文咁差，同個日本人雞同鴨講，個日本人都唔知佢講乜。
In English, it means his Japanese is very bad. He talked to the Japanese just like chicken and duck talk. The Japanese didn't know what he said. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.